Welcome back, fam. Listen, it is December 2022. We are wrapping up the year. Yep, we all are. All of us, I believe, set out with some goals, had some thoughts and minds of what you're going to do, whether it was spiritually reading the Bible every single day, making it your business to have a daily devotion, or to submit yourself to prayer. Likewise, with your physical journey, maybe you committed, you know what, I'm going to hit the gym a couple times a week. I'm going to do my workout. I'm gonna find a workout partner. I'm gonna change my eating habits. You know all the things that we do with this New Year's resolution. But somewhere along the way, things got busy. Children, family, work, job, things took us away from it. So we sort of strayed away from it. However, I'm telling you, finish the year as strong as you want to start the year next year, rather than wait and make it your New Year's resolution. You start on January 1st. And by February, you are done. So what am I saying in all? Start now. End the year great. Start the year great. A CrossFit lifestyle is definitely to be intentional, spiritually, mentally, and physically. So don't give up. Just keep going and make your life the life you deserve. Fully committed, devotional, spiritual, mental, and join some practices that may benefit you. Talk to you later. Bye.